Open your image in Photoshop. Convert your image to black and white by desaturating it. To do this, go to Image greater than Adjustments greater than Desaturate. Use the Select Subject option from the Selection tab to automatically select the subject in your image. Once you have the subject selected, create a layer mask by clicking on the Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Create a new layer underneath your subject layer to use as your background. To do this, click on the Create New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Fill your background layer with the color you want by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Backspace or Command+Delete, Mac. Use the rectangle marquee tool to select the half of the face you want to use for the typography effect. Once you have your selection, press Ctrl+Backspace, PC, or Command+Delete Mac to fill a new layer. Write text with the Type tool on the selected half face. Apply any typography effects you want to the such as text or graphic elements. Click to load the mask as a selection. Hide the original subject layer by clicking on the eye icon next to the layer in the Layers panel. Press Delete to delete the selected layer and leave only the typography effect on the image. In the Layers panel, click on the Create New Adjustment Layer button and select Hue/Saturation from the drop-down menu. In the Hue/Saturation Properties panel, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness of the image by moving the sliders. You can also select specific color ranges to adjust using the drop-down menu under Master. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click on the OK button. You can also use other adjustment layers such as color balance or vibrance to make color adjustments in your image.